Welcome to another video, but today is actually slightly later. We're doing this on the close afternoons, and perhaps you don't have time, perhaps you have time, but if you're watching this video, do hit the subscribe and the like button down below, So let's get back to our what's our disclaimer.
Oh, we don't have disclaimer today, actually.
What's the disclaimer? Pull the disclaimer. Okay. Here's our disclaimer. We are not a registered investment or broker-dealer. All opinions expressed here are from personal research and are intended as educational material. Although best efforts are made to ensure that all information is accurate and up to date, occasionally unintended errors may occur. And I assume we don't have a quote for the day.
Yeah. Okay. We are in for the later part of the day. We will end early today at 11:30.
Okay.
We are trying to do a mid-screen to let you guys know what is the WIPI standard, why we usually stop at 10, especially after 11. As you guys can see, come, your turn.
What
happened?
You don't
after
just say
11?
as you guys can see.
As you guys can see, things happen after 11. You see, it becomes a straight line, you see. It kind of boring straight line. See? Where it's called what we call choppy, like you want to buy up or it pops down, you cut loss. You want to buy down, it pops down and pops up again, you cut loss. So you make
Well, it looks like that was a very nice
one green tick straight for both. Yeah, I took it while you're bathing just now, actually.
Oh man, if Kelly took that whole string.
This is beautiful. But it has please reminder, you see, along this path, you guys can see there's a few green tick straight, right? Which is successful. I'm not saying it's not successful. It is successful, but it's WIPI because what?
200.
Yeah, the 200, which in our video we always mention is very important. Like you see the VWAP here, it keeps stuck between the VWAP for a full, nearly half an hour. That's really bad. But with a strong volume, see here, strong volume. See, the usual volume is here. It's actually more than 50% of usual volume. It just spark up, That's what I keep saying, is that with the 200 on top of you, blocking you, of course it doesn't mean that it doesn't work, it won't work. But when you into the trade, you must prepare to take quick profit. But of course, if it's a successful one and with volume, usually it push very high.
Yes.
And we have a gap up very nicely here. Actually, it's a good one. We would like to see a slight
another
pullback.
green tick trade or no?
Yeah, I like it. But it takes time, and the R1 is on top. Well, it looks like the QQQ is having a good time as well. Well, Tesla is having a good time, right? While we're waiting for the setup, you like to share something with us outside normal trading stuff, like the Hebrew stuff?
Wow. Hebrew.
Let's see, how many sounds are there in Hebrews?
Let's see, there's about 37.
Wow, okay. That's quite simple to remember, right?
Times 19.
Wow. Which is?
703.
You check with calculator?
Quick math.
Okay, I believe you on that. That's a lot to memorize. Not as much as, how many words, how many sounds do we have in the Chinese? I have no idea. We do have a lot of combinations.
Yes.
It'll be difficult to say. Okay, we see a pull down once it hit the R1. See, interesting, right? Why we have all these lines. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and take a quick look at various educational videos for the market one, green takes rate, and also the one that I do myself on the chart, which nobody sees anyway.
Wow.
Well, nobody likes me. I don't know why they like you. Okay, we are closing in for another minute before the green takes rate occur, but it's not that good, right?
R1.
Yeah, R1.
Or unless, actually, I think it will.
Because you believe always R1 is weak, right?
No, that's not what I'm thinking.
No? What will
I
you
think it will go.
You will go?
Yes, it will work.
Let's see. I just realized this pop, right, is a dangerous pop. You can see it pops up, right?
Yes.
Yeah, then it pops down. But if you are a disciplined guy, well, if you stick to the cut loss, why not? It's a good thing. Another 10 seconds. You sure about it? If you are, you'll be going in 5 seconds. What is the number?
430.
I think you need to speak louder.
430.
Okay.
The mic is you didn't even tune it down.
Oh really? That means you'll be very loud.
Yes.
Okay.
430.
84.30 coming very soon on the beat. Please be reminded on the beat. I'll be taking small here because it's on the R1. Although really like it, well, I prefer another second bar of rate actually. But who knows? Coming up close. 4. Okay, the 4 is there is 1100 selling on call. So selling on the call. Selling on the ask, sorry. On AA4. So once it break through, it will have a big breakthrough. I'm taking now for early actually. It's a early in trade. Because why? I'll explain later. Yeah, after the trade. Hopefully it hit what's the thing? 430. Okay, it hit 430. Does it pop up? Nope. The R1 is strong. Like what I say. Anyway, we are in early. We need volume.
I don't think you should go in early.
For this instant later I'll explain why.
We're not.
Oh yeah, okay. We shouldn't. Okay, Ray was right. We shouldn't misguide our audience here. It's my fault. Well, I'm waiting for the cut loss will be at let me see, 883. The cut loss will be at 883. Okay, it's hard. R1 is still blocking you. 883 is the cut loss, and after whether we are in for profit or loss, I will be explaining the reason why I enter. Okay, looks like you're right. You need to pass through
Don't speak so
460, 462 actually, on the beat before it can pump to 885. Okay, passing through. Yeah, it's a good run. Okay, 885. Selling at 885 actually is my target. I would like to see a nice burp up from 885 before I sell if possible. If not, well, anytime you want to sell, let me know. The new cut loss is still at 883, by the way, guys. But we are well above the R1 right now, so shouldn't be a problem. Okay, another try for, we will passing through, which I will explain later again why we will pass through. Okay, passing through, nice pop. Okay, I'm closing. Let me explain. Okay, why? Okay, just now while we are waiting for the 430, we can see on the ASK the 884.00 had a size weighting of 1200, which is a significant size, just like the same occur here just now at 884.96. There is a sell bit, there's a sell size of more than about 20 hundredths. So once it pulls through, it will have a sudden gap up immediately. So that is the reason why I actually front run this trade. But as you can see just now, when it gap up, immediately it fell down. There's no strength at here, which means there's a lot of people selling at this point. So I immediately make the decision to sell the position that we had, and it's a correct one. Okay, you want to take over for 2 minutes?
Hello, now I will take over, although just now I will not recommend this because we are facing a wide audience here. But today we actually didn't do any introductions yet, so let me briefly talk you through for these lines. Now you can see these colorful lines. We have light shade of blue, and then we have dark blue, and then we have I'm not sure if you guys can differentiate or see, these three are quite close together, but there is this purple magenta line going through, and these are the exponential moving average of 8, 21, 100 in increasing order. And now VWAP is the orange line that lies right here with the average 200 that is quite straight every time, and that basically helps us make decisions such as whether to buy a call or put, and puts us in a favorable place to do a trade. So let's say they're both very strong lines, as you can see before. They keep on bouncing on each other, and now we wouldn't recommend it when these two are very close, such as here, unless there's this great shorts up kind of thing. And then we have our pivot points, which are these R1 and the pivots. They're supposed to be right here. You can see up in the top right, there's 3 resistance and 3 support, in which second is the strongest of all. Now they basically bounce back when you hit them, but when you pass it, it does become your support instead. And we can go back to our main target of Tesla 2 minute while it's falling down. And we can also take a look at 5 minute. There might be a chance actually, but we do only have 3 more minutes with you, so let's just get an overview. Now Q also had a good day, which is also corresponding to Tesla's trades. Now let's just point out some of the these 2 lines are not very nice. That's why it kept on going down, but with greater pressure it usually spurs into a different direction.
Yep, that's true. Well, we are still falling at below R1, right? Look like the R1 is strong today on the it's Friday. Oh, okay. We didn't see further in. Let's see. Okay, yeah, there's 1 top, 2 top, 3 top, 4. Okay, there's 3 tops here. That's why maybe it's Friday, and things will be slow. Okay, there's a green takes rate at 82.6, which is now taking it. Okay, I will be targeting at the R1 or cutting loss at the 81.12. Depends on how we go. The R1 is at 884 or something close to it. Don't quite like the resistance on top. Okay, it's touching soon. Okay, once it touch, I will close. Hoping for a burst up if it's possible. If not, my new cut loss will be at the entry of 2.62.
I would have you take.
Okay, taking the profit now. Thank you. This is a quick green text rate, medium speed green text rate actually, because we can see the R1 is quite strong today, right? And the important point is that the time of the day, why we do this live today or at these hours of 11, is that to show the difference of setup and what it will happen during different timing. Like as you guys can see in the previous live, at 9:30, the volume of Tesla and the average bar of Tesla is usually more than $3. But as you can see now, the average 2-minute bar of Tesla is actually $1 plus, which is very insignificant move. You usually lose out in the pricing over time and you lose money eventually, which makes you worry as well. So I'm not favorable to do any trade actually after 10:30 or especially after 11 o'clock. Another good timing will be the power hour, which is the last hour of the day from 3 to 4. But of course we will not be doing live on that time.
Why not? It's an afternoon. We
But-
have good audience.
It's 3 a.m. over outside.
No,
Can you wake up?
it's 3 p.m.
Oh, okay. 3 p.m. Yeah. Okay. Once again, we reached the end of the show today. Would you like an extension?
No,
No, yeah. He's pretty tired today.
I'm not tired.
Yeah. Okay, we will be ending the show today and have a nice trading day. Take care, everybody.
Yes.
Yeah. Goodbye.